And now the weather report for Okinawa. The Okinawa main island area is cloudy due to the influence of moist air flowing in from the rainy season front moving south across the East China Sea, and some areas are expecting rain. On the 28th, due to the influence of the rainy season front moving south across the East China Sea and moist air from around the typhoon, it will be cloudy and rainy, with heavy rain and thunderstorms in some places. Strong southerly or southwesterly winds are also expected. Fog will occur in some areas until around noon. On the 29th, due to the influence of the rainy season front and the edge of the high-pressure system, it will be cloudy at first, with rain and thunderstorms in some places. In the Okinawa main island area, please be careful of landslides, flooding of low-lying areas, rising rivers, lightning strikes, tornadoes, and other strong gusts of wind until dawn on the 29th. Depending on the degree of development of rain clouds, there is a risk of heavy rain of warning level. And now the weather report for the Okinawa region. A front is extending from the low pressure in the East China Sea to South China, and the low pressure is moving east northwardly. Also, strong typhoon number 1 is east of the Philippines and moving northeasterly. It is cloudy in the Okinawa region with some rain. On the 28th, the Okinawa region will be cloudy and rainy due to the influence of the rainy season front moving south across the East China Sea and the moist air from around the typhoon, and it is expected to rain heavily with thunder in some places. In the Okinawa main island region, strong southerly or southwesterly winds will blow. Also, fog is expected to occur in some places until around noon. On the 29th, the Okinawa main island region and the Sakishima Islands will be cloudy due to the influence of the rainy season front and the edge of the high pressure, and there will be rain and thunderstorms at first. The Daito Islands region will be rough due to the influence of the typhoon, and thunder is expected in some places. In the coastal waters of the Okinawa main island region, waves will be high and there will be swells on the 29th. In the Sakishima Islands, high waves are expected with swells. Waves are somewhat high in the Daito Islands area and are expected to gradually come down on the 29th with swells. And now a close look at the weather for May 27th. At 8 a.m., it will be cloudy with a highs of 80 degrees Fahrenheit. The winds are from the south at 20.7 miles per hour, and rain will be 34%. There will be a thunderstorm at 12 p.m. The highs will be 81 degrees Fahrenheit. The winds are from the south at 19.6 miles per hour. Chance of rain is 51%. By 1 p.m. it will remain cloudy with a high of 81 degrees Fahrenheit. Winds will be from the south by southwest at 19.6 miles per hour, and the chances of rain is going to be 25%. It will remain this way until 6 p.m., which will be partly cloudy with a high of 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Winds from the south by southwest at 11.5 miles per hour and a 25% chance of rain. At midnight, it will be cloudy with a high of 74 degrees Fahrenheit. Winds from the north by northwest at 9.2 miles per hour. Chance of rain is 20%. This morning the sunrise will be at 5:37 a.m. There will be a thunderstorm around in the morning, otherwise breezy and humid with a thick cloud cover, and the highs of 82 degrees Fahrenheit. Precipitation will be 40%. Thunderstorm will be 24%. Rain accumulation will be 0.4 millimeters. The UV index is set to moderate with a score of 4. Winds are from the south by southwest. Wind speeds will be 18.4 miles per hour with wind gusts of 31.1 miles per hour. The sunset will be at 7:15 p.m. Tonight it will be cloudy with rain and a thunderstorm in the evening, then becoming breezy with a high of 72 degrees Fahrenheit. Precipitation will be 80%, thunderstorms 25%, rain accumulation will be 6.2 millimeters, winds are from the northwest, wind speeds of 10.4 miles per hour, and wind gusts of 27.6 miles per hour. For Wednesday, May 29, the sunrise will be at 5:37 a.m. During the day, there will be low clouds, breezy and less humid, with a high of 82 degrees Fahrenheit. Precipitation will be 25%. Thunderstorms is at 4%. Rain accumulation will be 0.0 millimeters. The UV index is set for moderate with a score of 4. Winds are from the east by northeast with wind speeds of 16.1 miles per hour and wind gusts of 31.1 miles per hour. That evening, the sunset will be at 7:16 p.m. It will be partly cloudy with a high of 74 degrees Fahrenheit. Precipitation is at 10%. Thunderstorms is at 1%. Rain accumulation is going to be 0.0 millimeters. Winds are from the east by northeast with wind speeds of 15.0 miles per hour and wind gusts of 26.5 miles per hour. For Thursday, May 30th, the sunrise will be at 5:37 a.m. It will be cloudy during the day. Occasional morning rain with a thunderstorm, followed by a thunder showers in spots in the afternoon, and a high of 83 degrees Fahrenheit. Precipitation will be 70%. Thunderstorms will be 22%. Rain accumulation is 1.8 millimeters. The UV index is moderate with a score of 3. Wind speeds are from the east by southeast with wind speeds of 13.8 miles per hour and wind gusts of 25.3 miles per hour. That evening, the sunset will be at 7:16 p.m. It will be mostly cloudy with a high of 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Precipitation will be 25%. Thunderstorms 6%. Rain accumulation will be 0.0 millimeters. Winds are from the north by northeast with wind speeds of 4.6 miles per hour and wind gusts of 18.4 miles per hour.